Good morning to Vancouver, konnichiwa to Tokyo, and grüß Gott to München. Hello and welcome to your first webinar. And is this an interactive webinar? We will have you prepared for the Vision 2018. And I'm really excited about this new format for the preparation for the fair training. One cannot not communicate in a social situation. What does this mean for fairs? This means for fairs that you are communicating all of the time. Even if there's not one visitor in the hall, you are still communicating because your competitors are there and they are observing you and you are communicating. And if you are there, present, active, assertive, then you're communicating positiveness and assertiveness. But if you are there watching at your shoes, watching at your watch, or taking a closer look at your smartphone, then you're communicating as well. You're communicating all of the time, all of the time. You can see this on each and every fair. You see people on the booth, 10,000 euros per hour, doing this. Where is his attention? Surely not on the visitors. We also see this. People that are not looking to the visitors, but to each other. And of course, it's okay to have a short chat with your colleagues on the booth. But make sure that your attention, your deep attention, is always focused on the visitors. You can turn your head, you can stand together as in open pairs, and you can turn your head to your colleague, but stay with your deep focus with the visitors so that you send out the right message. The message should always be, I'm interested and talk to you, visitor.